Alright, so now we are going to utilize responder and we are going to pull down the hash. So you should already have the Impacket toolkit installed in your machine. If you don't have, there are multiple videos on the internet, so please be watching the videos all the way through. Don't skip ahead or go out and Google Impacket GitHub. Let me show you Impacket GitHub. There's a lot of tools inside this toolkit. Go ahead and install that one. Or if you are using Kali Linux on your VMware, go ahead and use this script, pimp my Kali GitHub. Open this, clone this repository in your Kali Linux, run this script, and when you run this script, if you installed a fresh Kali in your VM, go ahead and press N when running this script. Press N to install every tool, everything which we required for this Active Directory course. Okay, so let's go ahead here and type responder, and you can auto complete that. Okay, auto type and complete that. After that, we are going to use -I capital and ETH0, which is our interface, and -DW, which are the -DWV, which are the options. Okay, so -I for interface, ETH0 is our interface on which we are listening. Go ahead on other tab and type IPA, and you see ETH0 is our interface. Okay, so if you are going to see the hash more than once, go ahead and just do a -V that we write down. Okay, it just do a -V for verbose. This is an optional setting once you are actually working in the field, but just for now, if you want to capture the hash and you want to see it again, this is a good way. Otherwise, it's stored in a pop file for later on. Let's go ahead and just do -DWV like this. Go ahead and press enter. Okay, so here you see, when you scroll up, you see there are bunch of poisoners. See, there's a bunch of poisoners. Okay, so first one is LLMNR, and when LLMNR fails, it actually goes down and work on NBTNS. So it goes DNS, LLMNR, NBTNS. Okay, it's also listening on DNS, and it's doing a few different things here. It's running a few different servers. Okay, and all we are doing is running those servers in the middle just to see if we can get a connection from any of these and try to intercept and respond back. So you see here now it says, scroll down, it says listening for events. Okay, so go ahead and go over to your Windows machine. Okay, so I have got my Windows machine spun up. I have got my Windows Server 2019, and I have got my Windows 11 cyber machine, which is 0-day. Okay, and now what we are going to open up this PC. This is our file share. Go to your address bar and point towards your attacking machine. I am going to say 192.168.57.128. I think this is the IP address of my attacking machine. Let me re-verify it. Yeah, you can see this is my attacking machine IP, 192.168.57.128. 57.128. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to press enter, and you see it's trying to say enter your network credentials, and it says access is denied. We actually do have a server up and running, an SMB server. Our SMB server is running. Okay, and look what happens here. See what happened here. But like we do have the SMB server up and running, so it's trying to connect to that. But you can see that it has pulled down the hash. It's pull down the IP address of the machine we are attacking, the user and the domain, okay, and then the hash right here. Okay, this is the hash. So everything that we talked about in the last one, this is exactly what happened. So let's go ahead and recap this. Okay, first you have to open up responder with dash I for interface. ETH0 is our interface, dash DWP are the options. After that, you have to go to your machine, go to your this PC. In the address bar, point it towards your attacking machine with double backslash. Okay, now save this uh, hash somewhere in your files. Okay, and then we are going to crack it offline using hashcat. So from here we are going to go ahead and install hashcat or use hashcat on our machine. I will show you a couple of different methods of how we do it. Then we will talk about defenses and move on to the next attack. So let's go ahead and move on to the next video. I will see you over there when we are working on cracking this hash.